Alright people, welcome back to a new video. Unfortunately, it's not a camping video. Work commitments, I've just not been able to get away camping, but hopefully in the next week or two. So today I'm going to be doing a video about the British Army hexi stove. I found this in one of my old bags. It's must be about 20 years old now, but it still works. So I'm going to make a brew in my back garden with a British Army hexi stove and my mess tins. I know the British Army have got a new stove out. It's the BCB Fire Dragon, which uses it's like a gel fuel, but this is tried and trusted. So I'm going to give it a go, the mess tins, make a brew in my back garden. I'll get back to you in a wee minute. Right, so here we go. I'm going to get it set up and we'll get a brew on the go. These stoves have been in use for about 40 years within the British Army. Inside the stove you've got the Hexamine tablets which come inside a packet. Need to try and get this open. There we go. It has been lying in a cupboard for 20 years. So here's the box, as you can see. And it has instructions on the back on how to use. These were phased out. Hold on, there's a train going by. These were phased out a few years ago because apparently the fumes were dangerous. I think it's a mixture of ammonia and formaldehyde. The new ones apparently it's cleaner burning and you get less mess in your mess tin. Although I've seen videos where that is not the case. So let's break open the packet. Strange orange spots on them, but they'll still light. So I'm just putting one of the tablets into the stove. I'm going to keep the stove like this. I'm going to try and light it with a lighter, get some cotton wool around it. I'll give it a go, see if I can get it lit with a lighter. Right, this is just the usual fire lighting kit most camping people have. There we go, up straight away. You can see that, and hopefully that sets light to my Hexamine block and we're good to go. Yeah, it's starting to light. See, that was pretty easy. I actually thought it was going to take more turns than that. All tried and trusted British Army mess tin. Nice and shiny. So, if you're a camping person or you're in the army, you'll know after using these Hexamine blocks, the bottom of your mess tin gets totally black and it takes ages to clean it. Here's a little tip I learnt from someone, I'll show you. Tin foil. Sorry, trains keep going by. Tin foil. Wrap this round the bottom of your mess tin, and then when you use it, there will be no black marks. I've never tried it, so I'm going to give it a try. So there we go, mess tin. Get some water into it. And we'll see how long that takes to make a brew. Meanwhile, I'll prep my stuff. If this works, I wish I'd known about this 20 years ago. It'd have saved me a lot of cleaning my mess tins. Some milk into that. Right, I'm going to get back to you. I'm going to time this and see how long it takes using the Hexamine block. Hey guys, just under 9.5 minutes, so it's time for a brew. Right guys, now is the moment of truth. I'm going to take the silver foil off and see if it really does leave your mess tin clean. You can see what it's done to the silver foil. Let's check if the mess tin is clean. Perfectly clean. A teeny bit black where even that just rubs off on your finger. If only I'd known about that trick 20 years ago. So there you go, all your fancy stoves. The British Army Hexamine cooker with Hexamine box does the job perfect. As I said, 9.5 minutes. And remember to put the silver foil on the mess tins and there'll be no cleaning. The tea bags, rubbing it on the grass and things like that. Anyway, hopefully I'm going to be out in a couple of weeks camping again. Got my 2 tents, might even be taking maybe my brother or my cousin along, don't know where. Any suggestions, let me know guys. But time for a brew. See you in the next video.